Hello, and welcome to Esther's Gardening Adventures. I'm Esther, and today I thought I would share with you one of the things I learned last year as a new gardener, that if you are a new gardener yourself, I thought maybe this could be something you would find useful. And that is that you may go out into your garden once you've transplanted out your plants, and you may see that some of the leaves, the early leaves that came out with the plant, are dying. I saw this last year and I panicked. I thought my plant was dying. I thought I'd done something wrong. And then luckily there were some experienced gardeners who told me otherwise. So let me show you what I mean. If you'll recall with me, when a plant first sprouts, it puts out a set of leaves that look nothing like the final product. These are called seed leaves, and there is a technical name which I will have the spelling up of above, although I will not attempt to pronounce it given my atrocious pattern of mispronunciations. But while those leaves provide a very important purpose for the plant early in its life, they're what provide photosynthesis for the plant, help it grow when it's a seedling. By the time that the true leaves, if you recall I talked about how after these leaves sprout, then the plant starts putting out true leaves. These are the leaves, once again, that look true to the plant. They look like the plant will look like for the rest of its life. And what this means is that the plant will then no longer, at some stage, be putting energy into the original seed leaves. And so if you come out and you see your seed leaves turning yellow or dying, you don't need to panic. In fact, you can just go ahead, sorry about the leaf there, you can just go ahead and remove them. Just toss them. I like to leave them here to become part of the nutrients for the soil. And it doesn't hurt the plant at all. The plant will continue growing. And you can leave them on until they die if you want. It just isn't very pretty. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. These are my mammoth sunflower plants. Just pulling them off. They come off very easy because they're already dying. Now this one, the seed leaves are still pretty green, and that's probably because this mammoth sunflower has not grown in size yet. It might still be using those smaller leaves for the time being. That's it for this video, short and sweet. I hope that you found it useful if you're a new gardener. And yeah, you can pull away those seed leaves at any point once the plant starts letting them die. It won't hurt the plant at all. You can leave them on until they die off, although I think I read somewhere that it helps the plant put the energy towards the other leaves. I don't know 100% that that's true though, so if anybody here wants to correct me. But yeah, I thought that was an interesting factoid. Hopefully you found it useful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so, and make sure you have that bell set so you get alerted when I post new content. And otherwise, I'll see you next time.